Undercut is a welding defect that occurs when a groove forms along the edge of a weld bead. It happens when the base metal melts but isn't filled in by the filler metal. Causes welding technique. Using the wrong angle, position, or speed for the welding torch welding machine settings. Using the wrong current or voltage external factors. Wind or drafts in the welding area affects undercut, weakens the weld, making it more likely to crack, corrode, or fail. Undercut is especially likely to cause problems when the weld is under cyclic loading conditions. Prevention: adjust the welding current and travel rate, improve the welding position, such as the joint angle, torch angle, and bead position. Lower the deposition rate. Repair: fill the groove with filler metal using multiple passes. Start at one end of the groove and work your way to the other end. Make sure each pass